Oh, and we are live, hey everyone. Today we will be continuing to do some coding here. For some reason, a lot of my audio is no longer working, so we'll have to figure that out, alright? But other than that, yeah. How's that going? Oh, okay. That has to be... there. Okay, yeah, that works. Dun, 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 dun. We need to add a noise key onto this as well, though. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. I'm gonna close that for now. What I want to work on today, alright, is how the minigame manager, like, fully works, alright? Because we also need, to have, like, inputs for the minigame manager as well, alright? Where's our Steam peer-to-peer right here? Alright, okay, I think we're gonna make a minigame data, object, right? Okay, yeah, here we go. I'll just make it like right underneath here because I think that makes sense for me, alright? There we go. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, so that removes the cat. Where is it? Is allowed, right? We should have a thing for like moderation is allowed. Oh, okay, so we should probably wrap this around a lot of our moderation stuff, right? Message dot identity. There we go. And I should wrap that around a lot of other things too, huh? No, wait. If moderation is not allowed. Okay, so we already have a check for that actually, so we don't need to do that check. Okay, that's good to know. I'm gonna see the minigame manager real quick, alright? We don't have a thing to send minigame data yet. Okay. If minigame manager dot minigame name, right, is equal to message payload. Okay, and then we get the payload, right? And we just make sure that it's equal to the same minigame as we're in, right? Yeah, okay. Minigame name. Okay. And Do we have instances on minigames right now? I don't think so. I don't think we have instances right now on this. That should be an int equals 0. We'll have that default 0. There we go. Okay, and as long as both of those are true, right? Because instance will normally be 0, or I'll actually make it be -1 as default, right? Then we'll like, you know, start processing it, you know? I think we should have an accept message class in here because it will be a different action for each thing, alright? And then that will be a dictionary. No, that will be a dictionary type, right? And then pass. There we go. And we pass that through here, right? And then I guess for this thing right here, right? Since we have the minigame, right? When we open up the minigame, we create the object, right? We create the object. Minigame equals minigame.instance, right? Whatever like the minigame is, right? There we go. And then we need to create a class here on the minigame template, right? Okay. Where is our template? Template, minigames, 2D minigame template. Okay. And then we're just gonna pass on to that for now, you know? Autoload Steam peer-to-peer line 69. Okay, let's check that out real quick. No, we have a semicolon now. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna move this to something else here. Tick. There we go. Physics process. So this will just run like at a set rate, right? What is it called? Autosave tick equals autosave tick plus 1, right? And then if autosave tick, right, is greater than, that's 60 times a second. Every minute or so sounds fine, right? For autosave interval, right? And that's gonna be like 500. Let me do the math real quick on another window. 60 times 5 minutes? Okay, so that would be like 300. Okay. That would be like 300. Equals 0. And then we if get tree return scene tree if get tree is false, right? If get tree is equal to null, no. Let's delete that for now. That should at least wait like 5 minutes, right? While get tree, right, is equal to null, we're gonna just await process frame. That should work. I think that should work. And then here we just save game. I think for this one right here, you see these ones right here. Whenever I save something as file encrypted, I also want to make sure I make a readable version of it as well, alright? There we go. And that should be fine actually, because that does the same thing, but make sure that whenever you have an encrypted file, you always expose it to the user as well, right? Okay, that works. I should probably have something that just awaits like a process frame or so. There we go. Yeah, and that just makes sure that we have like at least one frame after we store all that stuff, you know? Which should help with stability a little bit. I'm gonna break this out into separate function. Hey, welcome to stream, and dude guy. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? And then we're gonna have that be called autosave. There we go. Okay, so we've improved the save system there. We added accept minigame into minigame manager, right? And ideally every minigame should follow this format more or less, right? So that should be fine. That should be fine, I think. We have the 2D Mieu here. Also, hopefully audio sounds okay right now. Hopefully audio sounds fine right now. Wait, I had a note that I wanted to fix, right? Let me check my GitHub history repo thing. Crypto auto load. Okay, so we probably have to work on the cryptography side of things. This is not cryptocurrency, mind you. This is definitely not cryptocurrency, mind you. There we go. This should be void, right? Yeah, that should be void. Autosave tick, that should be int. This should also be int right here as well. Autosave interval, remember delta underscore right there. Steam peer-to-peer, inside of this right here. Minigame instance ID, and this one should also be ID as well. There we go. Then cryptography here, I remember there being a problem. Let me look through this real quick. Okay, save message. Decode message. Okay, so when we get a message, we have this stuff right here. We put in packed byte array. Okay. Decode message, encode payload. So we encode it, and we pretty much just put it into the key in the payload, and then the encrypted payload's here, and then we return the ID. Honestly, that works. That works. It's just a bit jank, right? Because we have like the encrypted payload, and we put it here, right? So instead of encrypted payload, okay, this should just be payload, right? This should just be payload. Do we already have payload in the scope? Where is payload in the scope? New payload. How do I word this? How do I word this? Wait, really? I haven't heard of that. Okay, so we put the process payload into that, and that has like the encrypted payload inside of it. That should be fine. That should be fine. Hey, Bago, welcome to stream, man. Welcome to stream. What is it called? What is it called, dude guy? What is it called? Here we go. So we got that one right there. Okay. Okay. We have multi-threading here. Signal bus is fine. That is really weird, because I would imagine they would also have it in Japan as well, you know? Okay. Yeah, because, like, you know, isn't Atlas, like, a Japanese company? Like, why do they region lock it outside of Japan? Or from Japan, you know? Okay, helper library right here. I don't think we need to do anything for that one. That's fair. I'm not very fond of gacha games in general, you know, dude guy. I'm not very fond of gacha games in general. Do we add in a thing where it's like minigame? Because we do have the minigame table, right? For like stats. Because here, alright, now we have this thing right here. Or not that thing, but we have it in... No. Huh? That would be like minigame stats? What would we call that? I don't know what you would call it actually. Because high scores kind of worked before, right? High scores kind of worked before. We might just want to keep it as high scores then. Okay, that kind of works, right? I think that works. I don't think there's much of a reason for most gacha and gacha games anyways other than to make the company money. You know, because it's my belief that like almost every gacha game, like aside from like monetary value, could be better as just a non-gacha, you know? Because like even like the big gacha games in my opinion, like Genshin and all that kind of stuff, right? The gacha really doesn't add anything to the game compared to like if you could like unlock it normally, you know? Like all gacha really does is it just paywalls you from content, you know? Yeah. I think I'm gonna just call it minigame stats. Save that. And replace everything with minigame stats. Huh? Huh? Why is this not working? Oh, there's okay. Here we go. There we go. That should be fine, I think. That should be fine, I think. Okay. Saves line 65. 65. Yeah, that should be fine, I think. It's just gonna break some of my saves, but I'm fine with that, just because this isn't like a public build yet. But also, I think currently there are some problems exporting this thing anyways. Because we need like a new export wrapper thing. Right, so manage export template. Not available in offline mode. For some reason, you can't export this yet. I guess this is because it's like still pretty new. Hey, Crimpy, how are you doing today, man? How are you doing today? I'm currently working on setting this up right now. Okay, wait. So when we're loading from the game, right? There we go. Okay. Yeah, that feels good. That feels good. Added minigame data input. Template. And 2D minigame template, and also what else did we do? I'm doing pretty good. I'm still a little bit sick, so our streams have been like a bit sporadic, but overall I'm not doing too badly, you know? Change world works, initialize position, updates, and world. Should we have a send minigame? Thank you, dude guy. It is very much appreciated. What is it called? Minigame manager, right? How do I do a high scores thing? I guess I can't do that. I guess I can't do that. For now anyways. I'm just kind of looking through like how I would do this right now. I like having 2 indents at the top of these, just because like a lot of these do have like 2 indents, and I think like keeping the same style is very important, you know? There we go. Okay, yeah, all those are 2 indents. Yeah, I might just go through everything and make sure it has like the same amount of indents there. I still don't have these guys' license yet. We onboarded a new artist, right? Derpy license. There we go. And Derpy also has her license pending as well. There we go. I don't think I currently need any other licenses in here. We should probably also work on adding like the licenses inside of the game itself so you can view it from within the game. Okay, let me actually check that out. Let me check that out. Here we go. Or wait, give it a second. How to turn text into string go dot. Okay. I have no idea how you do this. I have no idea how you do this. Well, let me just save everything real quick, alright? There we go. You got this, dude, guy. You got this. Good luck with that. How do I turn this into a string? I guess it would be called like parsing or something like that, right? Like, how do I parse out a string from this, alright? Okay, let's see. Resource. Basically what you want to do is load a file and read its context. Okay, so file foobar.txt, load file. varf, open. Oh, okay, that's easy enough. That is very confusing, dude guy. I don't know what to tell you. I have not even played Persona 5, you know? I have not even played Persona 5, so I would have no idea how to tell you that, you know? Okay. What do I call it here? Do I call it like address? Is that what I normally call it? I call it location. Okay. Location string. Okay. Actually, I wanted to return a string. Var file equals file dot new, or is it file access? Okay, and I guess that works. All right. I guess that works, right? In theory. Okay. Yeah, that works. That works. What else do we have to work on today? What else do we have to work on today? I don't think we have much, actually. Okay, I'm gonna keep that there for now. Okay, I need a send minigame, alright? There we go. Okay, we're just gonna call it a minigame name. Huh? Oh no. What's the problem here? Ah, okay. Oh, okay, I see the problem. I see the problem here. So we have to actually have this over here. Alright. Actually, I like this to be in front of the other thing, actually. It just makes more sense for me if it's like ordered this way, you know? There we go. There we go. And then here we go, and then player ID. Okay, and then I need to copy over like the header on the other thing, right? Okay. And then here, right? Here, we just toss this right there. And that should fix most of the problems there as well. Okay. I don't really know what I have to do now. That should have fixed most of the problems that are currently available here. Okay, yeah, that works. We're not like crashing on site. There we go. And that should just tell us whenever we autosave inside the debug, you know? But yeah, I think that's a good place for now. Okay, send minigame. To help with minigame sync added text file support made sure to standardize headers of GD files to have 2 spaces after export. Is it called import? Is it called import? Extends. There we go. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that actually. I am pretty happy with that actually. Let me find someone to raid. Sorry, it's a bit of a short stream. You know, I am very tired from NyQuil. NyQuil makes me very tired. Here we go. Now just jump. Sounds about right for Persona. Sounds about right. But yes, sorry for the short stream today, dude guy. I kinda ran out of things to do, you know? Hmm? Why did I do this? I don't remember why I did that. Here we go. Goodbye, everyone. And yes, I normally like having longer streams, but you know, what can you do about it? Hello. End stream. Goodbye, everyone.